Yo, rappers like heavy metal and ghettos, guns, metal and ammo. I pistol whip Tony and fuck metal soprano. A cat sell them bugs, but tell them thugs that rappers like rappers like heavy metal and ghettos, guns, metal and ammo. I pistol whip Tony and fuck metal soprano. A cat sell them bugs, but tell them thugs that I'm known to carry more heat than welding gloves. I walk amongst the gods, keep my head in the clouds. Always so good as love, get it in the crowd. Put it in your girl's mouth, blast off like acid. A master of nastiness, transform a classy bitch into a little cheap freak, sadomasochist, dastardly bastard. A rap so disastrous, spit and heal the cripple like Christ, the miraculous. And fights my savageness, turns punks pacifists. Police clock out my dairy always on the watch cause I used to carry blow. Always lock it down, but I never marry those. Very close when the flows come through your stereo. There we go, flipping unpredictable verses. A curse to burst words like Tourette's on purpose. Flip the bird like a back heavy jet. My verses it is, I can't stop and it's making me nervous, okay? Get me on a track and I'm cracked. I'm packing a backpack full of tracks on some CDs. Be me, fuck that, not likely to bite me. You need to be you times 90. I got schemes and a team so hype we get on the scene, make a scene on the nightly. Say what I mean, whether mean or politely. Living the dream in some clean white Nikes or DCs. I'm not giving a shit. Fuck the words that you heard and the lips they hang from. I stay banging the bang bang drums and hanging you lanes in the same no name gangs you came from. I don't got an excuse, I'm just talking the truth. I'm fucking awesome when I'm rocking the booth and I stay ready. Hot block rocking the views. Y'all are really not stopping this dude. Yeah, talk on.
It started off with Canova and hit the galaxy. Now we're moving them over. They're cramming me as the Cali King. Anything tossed them, my views getting chewed up. With a cool that sits a little mood, way too much. Getting smacked in the face with a room in the bats. He fucking raps so as good as me, boo-booing. I said I was rude, step in the shoes. You don't believe me. You can ask Devin the dude how I strip down. You bitch clowns stand on my socks and rip a motherfucker's ass like I'm Cannibal Wax. You wanna get stoned? Beat him with a basket of rocks and get your shit on. Clean it for the casket to drop. You know the reason.